Hey guys, Chris here with protectingcoin.com and wanted to do a new unboxing for a new hardware wallet. We just got this in recently. This is the Archos Safety Mini, and you can see here on the bottom, Safety Mini. On the back, you've got a little bit of information, serial number, made in France. That's where Archos is based out of. So let me just switch the view and we'll go ahead and see what's in the box. Okay, here it is, the Safety Mini by Archos. See, Safety Mini, a little bit of information there. There you go, again, made in France, Archos. So let's go ahead and open it up. It's just a light wrap on it, and the packaging looks pretty nice. Let's see, looks like, so there's a seal there. Pulls open. All right, and there it is. Yeah, so pretty nice packaging. As you can see, pulls to the side there, and these are locked in place. Flips up. So here's the actual wallet itself. Looks like it's set in a little bit of a foam, like an EVA foam, I believe is what it is. So there's the wallet. So you've got two buttons here at the bottom. On the back, Safety Mini. And a screen right there, taking up a good bit of the real estate there. And we'll move that. Here in the bottom, another foam insert. USB cable. Okay, it is micro USB. It's a pretty short cable. Looks like maybe about 6 inches, maybe a little longer. Yeah, oh yeah, that's a foot long micro USB cable. And then a small carry bag. It's the Archos. And in the bottom, see, we've got some instructions. We've got a recovery seed card. So it is not quite normal, just standard paper. It does have probably some sort of coating on it, maybe to help it be a little bit water resistant. Of course, Protecting Coin, we always recommend that you put your seed words, into some sort of metal like Crypto Vault or Crypto Steel. And you can see we've got a couple copies of those. Right off the bat, you do see they are listed in 24, so I'm assuming they're using a 24-word seed. Actually, we got another copy, so you can make 3 different copies here with the sheets provided, or you can move it to your own setup. And that is all that is in the box there. Let's go ahead and see if we can plug it in. USB port is on the bottom here. All right, got that plugged in. Welcome, please visit safe-t.io/start. You can see that. So that is it for the unboxing. We'll play around with it, maybe upload some additional videos, demoing the device, maybe a few screenshots and a little bit of, after we get a little bit of time to play around with it, test it out a little bit more. All right, thanks for checking out the unboxing. This is for the Archos Safety Mini. It's a new hardware wallet. for storing cryptocurrency. So storing, I haven't looked at the full list, but I would imagine it's going to be, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ethereum, etc. We'll post a full list of the current currencies that are supported. All right, thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing. And for more information, check us out on protectingcoin.com.